Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to increase the amount of coins you can earn per tap on Hamster Kombat. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at a way to increase your earnings on Hamster Kombat. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if it happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now to increase the amount you can earn per tap, now you can see when I tap on my Hamster Kombat, you can see I have only 9 coins. So you can see over here. Now let's say I want to increase it to 10 coins per a tap. So once you tap on it once, the amount of coins you can earn per tap. So to do this, click on boost over here. So you can see boost, this option boost, click on boost. Now once you click on boost, you can see how the boost works. So you can see free daily boosters. So and you can see down here boosters. So you can see multi-tap. So click on multi-tap, and once you click on that, you can see increase the amount of coins you can earn per tap. So you can increase your amount so that once you tap on it, let's say you are earning 5 coins per tap. So with this you can boost it to increase the amount so that you can easily fill it over here. So just click on multi-tap and then click on go ahead, and once you are done with this, you can increase your tap, your coins you can earn per a tap over here. So this is another way to earn more. So initially mine was 8, but I have done this and it is now 9 coins per tap. So you can also do same over here. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also follow for more tech updates.